Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 100 Days of Python Programming series and today is day 9. We will be learning about built-in functions in Python. Let's get started. What are the built-in functions? Built-in functions are predefined functions provided by Python that help perform common tasks without writing custom code. These functions take input, process it, and returns the output. We will cover 15 essential built-in functions that are frequently used. Print function. The print function is used to display output on the screen. You simply pass the value you want to print inside the parenthesis. Print, small braces, hello, comma, word in double quotes. Input function is print. The input function takes user input as a string. To convert it into another data type, you need to use type conversion functions. User input assigns input enter a number. Number assigns int user input converting string to integer. This is also called type function. The type function returns the data type of a variable like a assigns 3, print type a, output class int. It is type conversion function. Python provides functions to convert data types. Some commons are int, float, string, list, and tuple. Python copy code. Num assigns 5, num int assigns int of num. The abs function returns the absolute value of a number. Print abs small braces -4. Output is 4. Power function. The power function returns the value of a number raised to the power of another number. Like print power 2, 3. Output is 8. Min and max function. The min and max functions returns the smallest and the largest items in an iterable. Numbers assigns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print min of numbers, output is 1. Print max of numbers, output is 5. Round function. The round function rounds a floating point number to a specified number of decimal places. Like pi assigns 22/7. Print round of pi, comma 2. The output is 3.14. Div mod function. The div mod function returns the tuple containing the quotient and remainder of a division. Print div mod 5, 2. Output is 2, 1. Bin, oct, and hex functions. These functions convert a number to its binary, octal, or hexadecimal representations. Print bin of 4, output is 0b100. Print oct of 4, output is 004. Print hex of 4, output is 0x4. id function. The id function returns the memory address of a variable. Like a assigns 10. Print id of a, it should return the address of a. ord function. The ord function returns the ASCII values of a character. Print ord of a, output is 65. Len function. The len function returns the length of an iterable like string, list, or tuple. Like name assigns Python. Print length len of name, output is 6. Sum function. The sum function returns the sum of all items in an iterable. Numbers assigns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print sum of numbers. The output is 15. Help function. The help function provides documentation for a function or module. Help print. Additional tips and tricks. Number 1. Use enumerate with loops. It allows you to get the index values while iterating over a list. For index value in enumerate, in small braces A, B, C. Print index value. Use zip to combine iterable. It pairs the elements from two or more iterables like names assign Alice, Bob, Charlie. Scores assigns 85, 90, 95. For name, score in zip names scores. Print names score. It should compare the values from the list name and scores and print them. Use all and any of logical operators. All returns true if all elements in an iterable are true, and any returns true if any element is true. Conditions assigns true, true, false. Print all conditions, output is false because the one element is false in this list. Print any condition, output is true because there are two elements having the value true in this list. I hope you found this video helpful. In the next video, we will discuss built-in modules. Thanks for the watching.